Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you 3 delicious chia seed pudding recipes, super easy to make, great for dessert or making ahead for breakfast. So what's so great about chia seeds? Well, chia seeds are high in fiber, antioxidants, protein and omega-3s. They swell up to about 9 to 27 times their weight in water, which makes them a great soluble fiber, great for your digestive system. So first of all, the first recipe is a Pina Colada. We're going to use 1 cup of coconut milk, a 1/4 cup chia seeds. I'm going to mix that really well until thoroughly combined. After that, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of honey just for sweetness. You can use maple syrup, coconut sugar, agave nectar, whichever. This is just all I had in my kitchen. So after leaving to stand for about an hour, or you can do it overnight, this is the consistency you're going to get, and we're going to layer it up. So I'm just using a glass, going to fill half the glass with the pudding mixture and then the other half with some blended pineapple. So for my topping, I'm using brown sugar mixed with desiccated coconut. All you need is about a tablespoon of coconut and a 1/4 teaspoon of brown sugar. Toast that until it's slightly browned and then sprinkle it on top. And there you have it, your classic Pina Colada recipe. I think this actually works better for a dessert because obviously the coconut milk is quite rich, but yeah, I love it. So next I'm going to be making my breakfast parfait. This is great for making ahead of time. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is great for making ahead of time. So I'm going to use a cup of almond milk mixed with a 1/4 cup of chia seeds and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix that well as it pretty much starts to gel quite quickly. And then this is the texture you're going to get. With a thinner liquid like milk, you probably want to do this overnight just so that it's not as runny as it would be. And yeah, just going to layer up the ingredients. I'm going to use a strawberry and berry mixture topped off with a handful of granola and my favorite almond butter. You can never go wrong with almond butter. And for my toppings, I'm using some Alpro yogurt, some strawberries, desiccated coconut and a pinch of granola, and that's my breakfast parfait. Guys, this tastes so much better overnight when the flavors really, soak in and marinate. I love it. So for my last recipe, I'm making a chocolate brownie recipe, really creamy and indulgent. I'm going to use a cup of dairy-free yogurt, rolled oats, cacao powder and chia seeds. Mix that well together until thoroughly combined, and also a tablespoon of honey for the sweetness. I feel like with this recipe, you probably don't really need to leave it that long, which is great if you want something instant. And this is the texture you're going to get after leaving it for about an hour. Just because the cacao is quite tart, I'm going to use a blended banana just to bring out the sweetness. And then we're going to plate this up. All I do is just fill to the top a jar with the pudding, and then I top it off with some yogurt, a few sliced bananas and some walnuts, and that's pretty much it. Super easy, super tasty. I love this for a dessert or for making ahead overnight. So that's the end of the video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed the recipes. I'd love to know what your favorite flavor combinations are, so please let me know if you try any of my recipes. I'd also love to see your take on them, but until next time, I will love you and leave you guys till my next video. Again, don't forget to subscribe and check out my previous videos. Bye guys.